What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today we're checking out this amazing asset, which is the dodging component. As you can see, this asset will allow your character to play really cool dodges in all directions with cool animations and motion. So right now this asset has a 50% of discount using my affiliate link and coupon code GORKAPP. So link is in the description. As you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. So as you can see, we have the component over here. If we go ahead and open this up, and we essentially have some of the logic, so we can go ahead and play the montage, which is replicated, which is really nice. And we will also rotate to the input of direction, and we have all of the graphs neatly organized over here for all of our control, which is really cool. So if I go ahead and also check out the character over here and open this up, as you can see, the character will have the dodging component, and none of the dodging logic will be in here, but everything will be on the component itself. So it's very straightforward to add into your existing player character and integrate this amazing dodging. So essentially, you can create dodging which looks like a AAA game in minutes. So check it out. Alright, so that's it guys, get it with 50% discount right now, link is in the description, follow me on my socials, and now yes, with all that said, bye bye.